Hello, today I am going to show you how to get Google Keyword Planner in 2026. So let's start the main video. First, go to Google Ads. Make sure you have an account on it. Now click on Tools at left side. Now click on Planning. Then click on Keyword Planner. Now click on Got It. After that, click on Discover New Keywords. Here, enter one or more keyword that closely related to your business. Now scroll down and click on Get Results. Here you can see the keyword ideas, average monthly searches, competition, etc. In 2026, getting access to Google Keyword Planner is still simple and useful for anyone doing SEO or online advertising, as it remains a free tool inside Google Ads that helps find keyword ideas, search volume trends, and competition insights. By signing in to a Google Ads account, users can open Keyword Planner from the Tools section and use it to research keywords, plan content, or analyze potential ad performance, making it a reliable starting point for understanding search demand and improving digital marketing strategies. And that's it. Thanks for watching.